Hi guys, so you're doing a great job this week. I see a lot of you commenting and you're being bold and you're on your way to silver. I really believe it. You guys are doing so great. So we've been talking about expanding our network and the first 2 days have focused on that. And today I'm going to touch on one more aspect of expanding your network. And what we're going to do is go ahead and get on Facebook, and any of your suggested friends, I want you to look through those and see if you have a personal relationship with them. Someone you're like, oh, hey, I do know them or haven't talked to them in a while. Anybody that you may look at some of your best friends' friends. So look at your mutual friends and look at their other friends and see if there's some other people that you could add. Maybe you've done Bible study with, maybe you've done community service, you've volunteered with, maybe they go to your church. Whatever it might be, go ahead and add those people if you have a relationship with them. You'll be surprised the people that you add, the relationships that you already have kind of formed with these people. Some of my best teammates right now that are rock stars for my business are people who I met through my 4 Inches Cuff business. Would I ever expected that I'd be doing a business like this and they would have joined me and be my rock stars? No. If you would have gave me A, B, C, or D, I probably would have said doubt it. But after I've joined this business and seen the potential and we've talked, I get why we're on this team together. We have so much in common, and there's so many people even in your network that aren't your friends right now that you guys have a lot in common in, because you have a mutual friend or you guys have done sports together, kids play sports together. So I want you guys to really focus on one of your goals is to add 10 new people to your Facebook that you were not friends with. Somebody that is in your network, someone that you have been friends with and done activities with. The second thing that I want you to do is to set yourself apart from the other ambassadors. If you think that these people in your network possibly have other people posting about about Plexus, then I want you to really think about and be aware of the posts that you're sharing. The more vulnerable you are, the more believable you are. So this week, I want you guys to focus on not copying and pasting, but to be personal and to share testimonies about yourself or to share why you're taking this journey. If it's your first post, just say, hey, I'm so excited. I found some health and wellness products. They're really, really great. And keep it, the more personal you keep it, the less likely people are going to just scroll past and go, oh, we don't want to look like an advertisement that we're selling to our friends. So we don't want them scrolling past our posts. So be aware of that. One thing that I did this week, you could look at that post. I was running late. It was a crazy morning. A lot of my friends relate to that because we're busy moms, working moms, and we have a lot of things going on. So I took a picture of me going to Starbucks, getting a cup of water and adding my Slim into it. I said, been a crazy morning. Look, I'm not buying coffee, but I'm making my Slim. You know, that's going to grab mom's attention. So they're going to go, man, Carrie looks so happy. She's so positive. And she's busy and she loves this and she's not drinking coffee now. So it did a lot of things. It made it personal. It was exciting. It was something different. It wasn't just a copy paste advertisement. This is what Plexus products are and blah, 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 blah. So try to add your own touch, your own personal spin. And you can look at some of your sister legs and see what they are sharing. And if you find one that you felt was really personal and it really spoke to you, put your own twist on it and do the same thing. I want you guys to stay away from viral posts. It's very tempting because you see one go viral and you're like, oh, I want to share that. But you need to be aware and be thinking, okay, what if everybody's sharing the same post? That looks really bad because it devalues you and it devalues Plexus. It looks like we had a meeting and said, hey, let's post this and sell it to our friends. We don't want to look like that. So we want to stay away from that. And staying away from the salesy graphics as well too. So, and then mix your personal pictures in with your posts too, and just like you always did. So share those things that you know your friends enjoy seeing. The number 3 thing that I want you to do is if somebody likes or comments your personal post or your post about Plexus, make sure you're responding to them. Write a personal message to them or and just say, hey, I saw that you liked my post. Have you tried Plexus? Are you interested in the products? Could I give you some more information? Is there anything in your health that needs improvement? And just see what they say. And when they do start asking questions about the products, don't be scared to reach out to me. Don't be scared to say, or Amanda, and say, hey, I want to add my product guru into this conversation. She knows so much about the products and can be really helpful on finding a good regimen for helping you with your health issues. And that is going to do a couple of things. It's going to give third-party belief. They're going to see somebody outside of just you that these products have worked for. We can share testimonies. We can share other people's testimonies. we can teach you as well. So the other thing it's going to do is teach you verbiage, teach you what we say about the products, and it's going to help us close the deal. It's going to help this person take a leap of faith and try the products. I really, really believe that it will help a lot. The three-way chats are awesome. They're something that we're kind of new to incorporating, and I think they'll be very beneficial to adding people to your team. And me and Amanda love to help. We'd love, obviously, to expand your network and help you learn how to share, and it's just going to be very beneficial, and especially like duplicating what we do with your sponsors. So I just want to tell you guys this week, I want you to really commit. I want you to do these 3 tasks. If you want me to go over them again, the first task is to add 10 new people on Facebook. Your second task is to make it personal, and no copy and paste posts this whole week. I want you to commit to making them personal and relatable, whether it be a personal picture with it or a testimony or a story or inviting people along on your journey. You can make a video of why you're starting these products. And the third thing I want you to do is get in 3-way chats and follow up with the people who are liking and commenting on your posts or who are private messaging you. Get them in a 3-way chat. So I am so excited for you guys. I know you're on your way to going silver. You guys are doing great. Have a great day. Thanks so much for joining us.